Hello everyone, this is Pooja here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my products which I've bought from Myntra during the Myntra sale. And trust me guys, these products are really very good in terms of quality, in terms of material. So I think all you need to do is look into the right category and what is the product you are searching. So you just have to keep on surfing and definitely will find something which is worth to buy. सो आज मैं आपको सिर्फ 4 प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी जो मैंने मिंत्रा से ख़रीदे हैं एंड आई विल वॉक यू थ्रू व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस आई पेड एंड हाउ गुड इज़ द प्रोडक्ट. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ दिस शॉर्ट कुर्ती. So you all can see it's a very pretty short kurti. It's a cotton kurti and this is from the brand Here and Now. एंड मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट मिंत्रा से ख़रीदा एंड विच इज़ लेस देन 500 रुपीज़. ट्रस्ट मी, द मटेरियल इज़ सो सॉफ्ट, इट्स प्योर कॉटन, द कलर इज़ फैबुलस और इसका कलर बिल्कुल भी फेड नहीं हुआ है. एंड आई टोटली लव टू पेयर इट अप विथ माई हॉट शॉर्ट्स और ब्लैक डेनिम और ब्लू डेनिम and wear any oxidized jewelry or any jewelry with a little bit of pearls on it, and you have to go with it. So this is a very pretty kurti. You all can look out for this on Myntra. So the second product which I would like to show is this pretty maroon polka dot top. So this is a very pretty maroon polka dot top. Okay, and what I like the most about this top is its sleeve. It is really very cute and puffy sleeves. It's gonna give you that really very girly and chicky look, and it's gonna make you feel very comfortable. I usually pair this up with my denims, so it is like good to go wear anytime, any day. Okay, and isko bhi maine I have paid less than 500 rupees, and trust me, this is from Chemistry brand. So you all can see this is from Chemistry brand. Okay, so this is one of the product and the fabric is amazing and the feel and comfort is also too good. Okay, so the fourth product is this. Sorry, this is the third product, I'm sorry. So this is the third product. This is a dress. This is a knee length dress. It is horizontally striped with maroonish and white color. So मैंने इसको पहना था when I went out for a weekend outing with my husband. So my husband drove down and I wore this dress and it was extremely comfortable in the car. And you can wear this anytime. I mean, you can wear this when you're traveling. You can wear this like when you are at home. You can wear it as a night wear. It's up to you completely, like how you want to wear it. And the perfect thing to wear with this is your denim shoes, and keep it as simple as possible, and wear your shades, put your shades on, and it's like perfect to go. And this one is from Harvard. The brand is Harvard, and I really love this dress. The fourth dress, the last one which I want to show in this video, is this very beautiful brown top. Just love this top. You all can see I love this top because of the styling. The buttons are extremely cool and it has got a knot below here. So I generally pair this with a tank top inside or a spaghetti. So I usually wear a pink, black or a dark blue color spaghetti, and wear a very thin simple chain, and just wear your pretty shades, your watch, and you're good to go with this. So this is again less than 500 rupees, and this is from the brand Eti. And sorry, I forgot to mention that this is around 650 rupees, and after the sale got over it was again back to the original price. So definitely worth a buy when it is sale. All you have to do is like, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी मिंत्रा का ऐप खोलते हैं you are seeing the repeated products, but you actually have to drill down and spend some time to buy something which is suiting you. And guys, let me know how did you like my video. I would also like to say that cherish life. आपको जो पसंद है आप पहनिए and have body positivity. That is all I would like to say. Thank you so much. Bye.